going on, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing this M4 that I camo customized and this CO2 gas blowback pistol. So first I'm going to be showing this. By the way, all these gun specifics are going to be in the description below, so make sure you go check that out. So first I'm going to be doing semi-auto, and then I'm going to be doing full auto. Alright, now here is full auto. And now we're going to be moving on to this pistol. That's I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's right here. It's a gas blowback CO2 pistol, and here's the semi-automatic. And then I actually think I left an opening in that CO2 because it was leaking out really fast. So here's the, hope this isn't leaking out, but here's the full auto. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a comment below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and see you later.
You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new